Hi, welcome to our channel Harmony Yoga. I am Mr. Ashwin Mehta from Bombay, going to show you how to do Savasana. It is the toughest asana, also known as Nidrasana. So one has to make our body like a dead body. Dead body has got no sense at all. It is totally senseless. You have to forget all the senses in this case. So now how to do it? First, one has to sleep properly. Okay? Then close your eyes. Then go step by step. Close your eyes. Then you have to stable your body first. Now, how to stable? You have to see that there is no movement of the body or any parts of the body. No movement at all. Then you have to see that your body gets relaxed totally. Okay? So for that you have to completely relax the body. Then once the body is relaxed, then your eyesight will also get relaxed. You have to concentrate at one place only in closed eyes. Then you have to stable your mind. Now how to stable the mind? That is, you have to reduce your breathing. You have to reduce your breathing. Once the breathing is reduced, then automatically mind will get relaxed. So first body, then eyesight, then mind. Once all these three are relaxed, then our soul will also relax. So relaxation is the requirement for this savasana. As I told you, it is toughest one. It is very difficult to do on your own. Under somebody's guidance, one can do it. Okay? And it is so effective that 5 or 10 minutes savasana, you get the sound sleep of 5 to 7 hours. That much satisfaction one can get it. It is so effective. And all the stress of the body and mind will be totally removed. Even doctors are suggesting to remove your stress, do savasana for at least 5 to 10 minutes. But under somebody's proper guidance. That is must. Now body is relaxed, mind is also relaxed, then our soul will also get relaxed. Okay? Then you have to sleep in that position for at least 5 minutes. So a stage will come where you forget everything. Your entire body you forget. It will be like a dead body. Now coming to the relaxation of the body, also known as Shithilikaran. Very important one, I can say. You will rarely see this relaxation, how to relax the body, also known as Shithilikaran. So for that, you have to concentrate. You have to concentrate in closed eyes, your bottom of the legs. Concentrate on the bottom of the legs. Then see the fingers of the legs. Then your ankle and your calf muscles and knees. Give suggestion that all these parts of the legs are getting relaxed. Then completely relaxed. Then coming to the hips, stomach, muscles of the stomach, chest, heart and lungs. All these organs are getting relaxed. You have to give this kind of suggestion. Now completely relaxed. Okay? You have to concentrate this way from bottom to the top side you have to come. So now we have come up to the chest side. Now concentrate on your hands. That is your palm, your fingers, wrist and elbow. They are getting relaxed. You have to give suggestion like this. Now completely relaxed. Now coming to the elbow, shoulders, getting relaxed. Now completely relaxed. Then come to the throat. Now my throat, chin, lips, nose, eyes, ears and eyebrows getting relaxed. Now completely relaxed. Now coming to the Agya Chakra, between two eyebrows, forehead, skull, neck and back getting relaxed. Now completely relaxed. You have to give suggestion like this from the bottom of the body to the top of it. So now entire body is completely relaxed. You have to see this way, concentrate this way and give suggestion, say getting relaxed, now completely relaxed. So now you completely forget your body. Body is now completely relaxed. You sleep this way for at least 10 minutes and then see the result. Okay? After 10 minutes, slowly in closed eyes, get up and sit quietly. Then slowly and gradually you open your eyes. So nice this relaxation, this savasana, this nidrasana, that you get completely relaxed. And also one who is suffering from high blood pressure, immediately their high BP will come to the original position. It will be stable. It is so effective. You can do anytime. Either it is better to do in the evening or at night. Better to do, because that time one is very much tired. So when you are tired, do it and see the result. So this is all about savasana, also known as nidrasana. Try to do daily at least 10 to 15 minutes. Here you have to forget everything. Okay? Now if you want to inquire or if you want to ask me anything, you can contact me on my number 9819274740. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.